All right. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. This is the Crypto Takeover, coming back once again with another technical analysis video using the market Cipher. So we're going to take a look at ChainLink today. A pretty well-known, or Link? No. Is it Link or ChainLink? Someone commented to look at Link. And I thought they were talking about ChainLink. Yeah? Okay, ChainLink, yeah. Which is Link. So let's just take a look here. To be honest, I don't know if I know a lot about ChainLink. I want to say ChainLink was the platform that had, was it Sphere, something like that? Smart contracts connected real world data events. Yeah, so I want to say this ChainLink was the one that had the data on a, this is on Kraken. We're actually gonna go to ChainLink. Let's see what volume is looking like on ChainLink right now. Let's see what would be the best. BitHum, best exchange, probably Binance, the USD Tether. Okay, link to BTC. Let's see if we can find this. Just kind of winging it today, y'all. Oh yeah, it's listed under. Yeah, let's go to ChainLink on Bitcoin. See what kind of data we have here. It's on the 5-day. So yeah, I've heard a lot about ChainLink, and it's just been on crypto Twitter and a bunch of other platforms. People just talking about it, really bullish about it as well. I'm trying to find, let's see, I think it was Glassnode. I think they were running on top of ChainLink. Let's check it out. I think Glassnode was running on top of ChainLink, if I'm not mistaken. And Glassnode is just a type of platform to look at certain graphs and different things going on inside of the crypto sphere. So they have a bunch of different graphs going on here. So yeah, I can't remember if this was run on top of ChainLink. I want to say I don't want to say anything. Let's see. Glassnode. Yeah. Glassnode insights on chain and on chain distribution analysis of ChainLink. Okay, here we go. So yeah, they're doing a bunch of different things. Glassnode is actually a pretty cool website if y'all haven't checked it out. But it basically has a bunch of different metrics that are on top of Bitcoin, and it's on-chain distribution analysis of ChainLink. Glassnode insights. What is ChainLink? Okay, Oracle Network, which allows Ethereum smart contracts to securely connect external APIs, payment system, data sources, prevent trusted third parties, multiple independent nodes collectively determine. The link token is used to pay node operators for retrieving data from on-chain feeds, formatting it into blockchain capable formats, and performing off-chain computation. It is also staked by node operators to guarantee uptime, correct data, and honest behavior. In the past 3 months, Link has been a substantial increase in the price due to its release of its mainnet, a series of partnerships with the links of Google and Oracle, and getting listed on Coinbase. We've covered Link's recent prices. Oh, I didn't even know ChainLink was listed on Coinbase. Okay, that's news to me. We've covered Link's recent prices, action, and Glassnode's. Okay. Distribution. Below we current distribution of Link. Okay. So interesting. I want to say that Glassnode kind of looks at stuff like this, and that's how ChainLink is ran. It's basically to gather a bunch of data and then bring it to a bring it to a data platform and a graph platform as well. So a lot of cool things going on here with ChainLink. Y'all can comment down below and tell me if I got that mistaken, but I do believe that that's what ChainLink is for. It's kind of a data gathering type of smart contract. So yeah, comment down below, tell me what y'all know about ChainLink, and if I got that wrong or whatever. Go ahead and like this video, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Tell me what other coins you want to see reviewed with Market Cipher, and we can go over it a little bit there as well. All right, so let's jump into this. Okay, so we're on our 5-day. Let's start on the monthly just to see what's going on here, because overall that looked pretty bullish. This was listed on Binance, but it doesn't look like we have any data there on Cipher B. It's interesting. I'm not sure if this was originally listed as an ICO or not, but based on the charts, it doesn't look like it was, because it just kind of started to have its pretty big uprise from the get-go of October 2017. So this coin's been around for a while. I don't know how it got started. I'm not sure if it was an ICO or not. That's some more data we'll have to look into, but I'm just here to look at the charts, right? So we're here to look at the charts with using Market Cipher and possibly see if we miss this run up. It does look like it's been running for a while, so good indication that it could start to have a little bit of a downtrend. Here on our 2-week, we have a bearish divergence as well. Our weekly chart, we are in a green money flow here. It does look like we've kind of dipped up a little bit, but then decided to come back up. So we could have something similar to that happen. It does look like we are being supported by this EMA ribbon, and the fact that we keep bouncing up above it could indicate that we could go a little bit higher. Now we have our body wave here, and then we have a bearish divergence that doesn't look like it ever completed. But based on that, we have this smaller kind of trigger wave that it looks like could end up coming back down to the 0 pivot point, and that could lead us a little bit below this EMA ribbon as well. So you just want to take note of that. If y'all are interested, I'm doing a Ledger Nano S giveaway at 500 subs, so you can look at the ticker scroller down at the bottom, and y'all can get signed up for this. Link down in the description below for it as well. I did start a Patreon group. In here, I'll be doing one-on-one communication with my Patreons just to see what coins they might be interested in, let them know what my top picks are as well, and to also be up to date with what's going on with Market Cipher and the cryptocurrency realm, and to just give us kind of a team pretty much too, a team that we can chat. There's a Discord that's going to be linked inside of this as well, so y'all can go ahead and get signed up for that if y'all want. Also, I have the Telegram group here as well. I do updates in there pretty much daily or here and there, just to see. I'll do screenshots of certain time frames of Market Cipher that I like to look at as well, and y'all can go check that out. I'll do polls in there, just trying to get feedback from everyone too. So ChainLink, okay, so we're here on our weekly. Does look like we want to have a little bit of a sell-off pressure. Let's take a look at our 6-day. 6-day also coming down just a tad bit. Still in a green money flow, so it might not be, but it is starting to kind of simmer down just a little bit, the green money flow. So we could kind of see maybe a curved bottom for one more move, one more leg back up to the upside above the EMA ribbon, and then maybe make our way down on that second move to below the EMA ribbon. Let's take a look at our 5-day. 5-day, pretty much the same thing. Still looks like it wants to curve down. Let's take a look at our 3-day. Okay, we are underneath that EMA ribbon, and also we are underneath the 0 point of the Cipher B as well, indicating that we will probably stay under this EMA ribbon just for a little, like probably for another week or so, and then start to make our move back to the upside again. But it probably, this to be honest, is kind of looking like a topping out pattern, and that's to say because it does look like we found some resistance here at at 27,000 sats, looks like, or about 38,000 sats. So about 40,000 sats, that looks like about some resistance there. So we just need to keep that in mind if you are wanting to invest in this, that is. So let's see, right about there. So it does look like we have some resistance, but maybe on this next move up we could come back up and touch it again. But then that would also, if we decide to come back up and touch this, and then that could create another head and shoulders, or yeah, I'm thinking if we come down, we go back up and test that. Let me kind of draw this out a little bit. Here, and then maybe here. But then that could kind of lead us to a head and shoulders a little bit. This coin has been moving for a while now, and it doesn't look like it wants to slow down, but at the same time, it's not healthy if it doesn't. So to see some pullback would not be out of the ordinary. So you just want to consider it as well. Trying to figure out how to. So yeah, we do want to consider the pullback, that it is possible there. So just keep it in mind, and then we can go to our 1 day and our 2 day here. So 2 day looks like we want to come back down and bottom out again, like we did here. We are on a sell signal there on the 2 day. 1 day still on a sell signal. Looks like it's kind of bottoming out a little bit on the 1 day, but we will probably stay down in that bottom area below the CMA ribbon as well for a little while. And it looks like our money flow does want to come back into the red, so we will most likely stay down here at about 2,500 sats or so. So just keep that in mind, y'all. Hey, so I am doing that giveaway. Y'all can get signed up for the free Ledger Nano S giveaway on my website at cryptotakeover.io. You just need to make sure you have your YouTube name and also a valid email, so that way when I do the drawing, I can just email you and tell you you won. I also have the link to the Patreon group down here as well. But if you want to buy the Ledger Nano X, y'all can just go ahead and do that. It's a great hardware storage wallet. Remember, not your keys, not your coins. I do have that link down in the description below. Also, the Unstoppable Domains. It's a pretty cool way to keep all your crypto addresses on one URL link. So if you're a content creator or whatever, you can have one link to all your crypto addresses, or if you're doing payments with someone, you can just send them that link. They can send you Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, EOS, and I think there's like 10 different types of coins that you can hold your private keys on top of this URL. So it's pretty interesting. If y'all are interested in leverage trading, y'all can use the Bybit link, but please use testnet first before you start anything. And to get signed up, or just use the link down in the description below, and then contact support, ask them how to get signed up for the testnet. It's a 2-step process, super easy, and y'all can do that. So by the way, Unstoppable Domains is run on top of Zilliqa, which I'll be doing a review about later. I think it's a pretty good and opportunity for us at the price it's at now. So we'll definitely it's added to the list, and I'll be getting around to doing a video about that later. Let's just dive into some of these smaller time frames here real quick. The 18-hour, looks like it's kind of bottoming out, but also still in the red money flow. So I would imagine some of these, like 12 hours, still pretty red-ish money flow. Kind of coming out of this big wave trend that we were in, and we were hearing a lot about on crypto Twitter as well and stuff too. Right at around June, July, but then it had another run up again in October. Peaked again in November, around November 14th, and then it's just kind of been on a steady downtrend right now. So yeah, I do believe that this coin has kind of had its run for the time being, and I think that another area, a safe area to probably get in on this coin would probably be maybe around the 14,000 area, 14,000 sats probably. And then if we were to go back up and retest, I would say that we could come back down, maybe even to like 20,000, and then maybe come back up to retest that 40,000 sats. It's like another 50%, 60, like 70, 80% move. So I do believe, I think that we could possibly come back up and retest, but then again, like on our weekly time frame, it does look like we want to have another little bit of a sell-off to come back underneath this EMA ribbon as well. Yeah, if y'all are interested in the Brave browser, I do use that on a daily basis. It's an easy way to earn BAT token. I'll also be doing a review on BAT token using Market Cipher to see where it's at right now in the market, and what kind of moves and momentum moves that we should be expecting with it. But it's a great way to earn rewards and earn digital money by browsing the web. So check that link out down in the description below. Also, I am using the CryptoTab web browser. I don't browse with this, but it's a nice way to be mining Bitcoin in the background while you're doing your other tasks. So pretty cool, nice way to earn some passive income. If y'all are interested, y'all can click that link down in the description below. Super easy to install and start mining Bitcoin right then and there. I also have my Twitter. Y'all can come check me out on there, and also message me if y'all have any questions or anything on there. I'm gonna be happy to hear from y'all. I have the Instagram, don't really update it too much, but y'all can come follow me on there if y'all like. Alright, y'all, and I think that's about it. So ChainLink, it had its run. It does look like it kind of topped out here at about 40,000 sats, and I do think that based on our momentum waves on Cipher B that we could probably come back underneath that EMA ribbon and retest probably this area at about 20,000 sats, then come back up, maybe put in a head and shoulders, and we could probably come back down based on our 2-week as well. Does look like we are putting in a little bit of a head and shoulders here on our 2-week, and that could end up coming back down for us. So not that I don't think that ChainLink is a good project. It does look like it does seem to have a lot of momentum behind it and a lot of good people there that are doing things for it and that are keeping people in the loop and up to date about what they have going on, which is always a good sign. You want to make sure that your projects are keeping you up to date with things that they have going on, and that they are a reliable source when it comes to how they market as well, I believe. So definitely good signs. You know, just to be healthy, we'd probably need to see some retracement, and you know, kind of had a nice run up here. If you were in down here with it, that was pretty good, substantial gain there. You know, over 1,000% like gains since, you know, last year. So pretty cool, man. It's cool to find some of these altcoins, and that's what I want to do with the group. That's what I want to do with the Patreon members, with the Discord group. We want to kind of look for some of these altcoins that we can get in, you know, while they're low. And I think obviously when I'm doing Market Cipher reviews for each of these coins, we'll be able to see like which ones are at their bottoms and might have some potential to rise in the near future, right? So we can all take note of it together as we do the videos. And I'm pretty much blindly looking at these coins. I haven't really looked at them before, but I'll start taking note about what I think is good, and then reminding y'all, hey, like I did a video on that, go check it out. It looked pretty bullish last time I looked at it. And then if you're a member of the Patreon group or the Discord, or even just signed up for the newsletter, I can throw some reminders out to y'all and send y'all the charts that I'm looking at, and be like, hey, don't forget about this coin. it looked good. So yeah, I hope y'all are enjoying these videos, and I'll get back with y'all on another one. I do have a few more coins that I need to review. Go ahead and show your coin down in the comments below, and I will add it to the list of coins to start to review. And with that being said, go ahead and subscribe, hit that notification bell, share the video, that helps as well. And if y'all want to support, links down in the description below. I'll speak with y'all soon.